Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn CRUD operation using PDO extension. CRUD stands for create, read, update and delete record in the database. The CRUD refers to all the major functions that are implemented in relational database applications. This is the database system and this is the table users, and here we have two records in this users table, and we have this PDO connect file that we created in our PDO first lecture. Let's create a new file, crud.php. and start with try catch block. So print our cat message, and here we will include this file pdo connect. So require once pdo connect.php. Let's start with insert query. Insert into users, and here in our database we have this first name, last name and email after id column. So insert into users, first name, last name and email, values like this, and for executing this insert query, let's create a variable result and $db. This $db is from this pdo connect.php, and we will run this query using this query insert query, and we will fetch these errors db error info, and if the errors are set in index 2, then we will print all of these errors. Else we will print this result. So let's run this query crud.php, and here you can see that pdo object, the data is inserted into the database, and here is the record third. So insert into users, and here we can print a message like this, successful. And if we insert another record, then we will see this message successful and the record is here in database. And here I can see that I have made a mistake here. It must be like this. Now let's create an update query. Update users, set first name is equals to xyz, where id is equals to 3. Everything will remain the same, and we will update this query, and here you can see that the record is updated. Just like this, we can create a delete query. Delete from users where id is equals to 3, and change this from update query to delete query. and here you can see that the record is deleted. Let's try this for ID 4, and the record is deleted. And for select query, select static from users, and then we will change this to select query. And always use exec method for update, delete and insert. And for select queries, always use query method. And this result variable will show the affected rows. And we can get the ID of the inserted record by using this last insert ID. And the ID is 6, and here is the 6th ID. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.